Hey y'all, what's up and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to continue the organization series and we're going to tackle the refrigerator. So with this refrigerator, it's a Kenmore. I don't know exactly which one it is, but it's a Kenmore. It's kind of like that darker stainless steel look, and it's got the water and ice and all that stuff. Double French doors, and then farther down we have the pull-out freezer kind of drawer situation. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the before. This video actually has taken me a little over a week to film and do all this because I got sick in the meantime, kind of like some cold stuff. Yeah, so I did the before like last week. I need to go grocery shopping. It's just been a little bit kind of all over the place. And do y'all like this little calendar? I got this on Amazon because me and my husband could literally never get on the same schedule. And so he had his work schedule on his computer and then I had mine on my phone, and it just like never, I don't know. So this has been a huge help. It's just dry erase marker, and then on the side of the fridge I have this little like grocery list, and it's dry erase as well, and we love it and it's helped a ton. I'll go ahead and link that in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and show you the before. So this is my fridge before, and everything really didn't have a place. It was just kind of whatever was closest was thrown in, or if there was a space available. Yeah, I don't have a lot of organization going on, to be honest. I do have a fruits drawer and a vegetable drawer, but it looks like my husband has stacked a whole bunch of beer in there. In the freezer I have all of our easy, quick meals, some lunches, my son's breakfast, and then I have this cool pull-out drawer, but it is just a mess. So let's go ahead and get it organized. I almost forgot to mention, when I was organizing all of this before, since I didn't go grocery shopping, I was able to pull everything out, put it on our kitchen island, and I cleaned everything, got rid of stuff. So, and all of these bins that I have, you always want to clean them really good with, Dawn soap and before you put your food in there. So I always forget to mention that, but clean everything before you put everything back. All right, we will go ahead and start at the top. I have these acrylic plastic egg bins. I've always wanted these. I thought they were super cute, and you see how many eggs you have still, and if you're running low. You can probably see with my theme of organization that I like to be able to see everything. So I like a lot of clear bins or wire bins so I can actually see. Up here we have some White Claws. Me and my husband's favorite drink are the Bud Light Cheladas. They're so good. And this is a little kind of just soda or canned good holder, and you pull one out and they all fall down. So it's just basically your can and soda holder, and I got these on Amazon as well, and I think it was like a set of 4. I'll go ahead and link that in the description box as well. So, and this acrylic holder is actually really old. It was my mom's and she just gave it to me, I think, when I moved into one of my first apartments. And I like this because it's gonna beep every single time. So I'm really short, and so I like this because I can pull it out and get whatever I need. I have my lemon and lime, some salsa, some pickles back there, and olives. So just other random things that I'm okay with it being up high. Basically on this row, it's just sodas. I have to have my daily Dr. Pepper. It is what it is. My husband likes Cokes, so there's some Cokes mixed in, and then if I'm really craving a soda and it's like after 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I'll get a root beer. This wire soda or can tray is probably from the dollar store. It was another thing my mom gave to me, and so I went ahead and just kept this in here. I figured we'll just mix them. If it's functional, keep using it. So down here, I like these little trays. This one's from Amazon. It's the one I have in all of my other organization videos, because you can pull them out, and then these are just like those little fruit cups that I can give to my son. Some Gatorades, and some leftover Sloppy Joe. I love these, it's OXO. All my Tupperware, I like the glass, and I like these lids that suction really nice. I just still, like I said, I like to see everything. So some orange juice and my vegetable beef broth, just ones that I've already used, I keep back there. My iced coffee, this is my favorite. It's like a dessert in the morning. It's so good. I have to keep stocked of this. And then organic whole milk for my son and my cereal. Over on this side up here is where I keep all the butter and extra water bottles. I personally like room temperature water, but for guests, I always keep cold waters. I keep stocked, like at least 3 milks in the fridge at all times. For my son, some half and half if I want some regular coffee. I don't know, just random coffee creamers that we'll randomly use. Down here, the unsweetened applesauce for, you should always have this when you're sick, or I don't know, my son loves them. Hershey syrup, some more juice, and an extra Honest Kids thing I think I got from a Happy Meal. I have 2 different cream cheeses in this dairy bin. I have just regular and roasted pecans and sweet honey for my bagels. And this is more of condiments and stuff. I have relish, avocado mayo, the roasted raspberry chipotle that you put over cream cheese. Excellent for a party. And pretty much every day my son has a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And this is strawberry jam, so almost out of that. And down here we just have more condiments, ketchup, mayo, ranch, mustard, barbecue sauce, Dijon mustard. My favorite hot sauce of all times, Crystal's. If you don't like spicy, get this one because it tastes like it's really spicy, but it's not. So I really like it. And then this is my favorite salad dressing. It's from Trader Joe's, which I really need to make another Trader Joe's run. It's just like 35-40 minutes away from my house. So it's like an adventure day for me and my son. But this is the toasted sesame dressing. So good on a salad. So this is what I use for my vegetable drawer. And right up here is like a little controller that I can do the humidity. So this is why I have the vegetable side over here. It's on high humidity, I think. I love these H-E-B green beans because my son like plays swords with them, and you can just throw them in the microwave. They're so easy. Some celery. I think I want to make some tuna salad this week. Little petite carrots and 1 random zucchini that I need to cut. Once again, I keep some of my fruit in these XOXO containers. They're glass. I keep my strawberries and blueberries in them, and I absolutely love them because we go through produce so fast. Like, I have to go to the grocery store multiple times a week, and I usually do curbside because that is just the best thing that was ever invented. Some apples, oranges, and a couple kiwi. And it'll be gone in just a couple days, so. Oh, I almost forgot. See, I always almost forget this drawer. This is the pantry drawer. We have some microwavable bacon ready to go, cinnamon rolls, butter, hummus, sour cream, all of our cheeses, honey ham, and little Kraft singles. Just the necessities for every day. All right, and this is my pull-out freezer. And it has a drawer up here, so we'll go ahead and start on this drawer. It is jam-packed. With everything going on in the world, I went ahead and stocked up. But I usually always have an extra thing of bread in the freezer because we eat sandwiches almost every day. So our whole wheat honey bread. This top drawer is where I keep my meat and veggies, and there's some ice packs under here. But these Amy's gluten-free burritos are the best thing ever for a little lunch. We have cauliflower, riced cauliflower, peas. Oh my god, and these Red Baron French bread pizzas are the best thing in the entire world. We have some ground beef, broccoli, chicken breast, more chicken, and some bacon. And then there's this little like drawer over here. I think this came with the freezer. I can't remember. Oh my god, this is some breast milk that I definitely need to throw out. But this is all popsicles and my son's little teethers that I still have. And this is his boo-boo bunny. How cute is this? So when he gets a boo-boo, we put it on there. And he loves this thing. It's so sweet. I think my mom got him that. More teething stuff. And sometimes when he acts like he's hungry, I'll just give him one of these, like he wants some ice cream. And he'll take it, and it, you know, it helps him for a little while until dinner's ready or something. We'll start over here. These are I don't even know. I don't know. These are Greek and it's like a kind of a snacky food. I have some quiche, some cheese sticks from H-E-B. My husband likes these Skippy PB&J things. They look repulsive to me, but you know, I'm not the healthiest person, but I love my pizza rolls. These are actually delicious little chicken nuggets. They're cooked with pureed vegetables and a whole grain breading. So it's made with pureed cauliflower and pureed onions. They're actually delicious. So I have 2 of those. My whole family, we love fish sticks. Oh my God. My son eats these H-E-B organic pancakes every single morning, and they like less than 30 seconds in the microwave. These were not, I found these at Target and they had Cookie Monster on them. They're organic mini pancakes too, but they're blueberry, and I just think that the texture of those are so gross. But the H-E-B ones are really good. I've switched sides so you can see a little better. But I have a couple of these Daily Harvest little cups left. I thought the whole thing they were so gross. I was not happy with them. But we have some sherbet. I have backup of the organic pancakes. There's a thing of vodka back here that we keep in the freezer. And these Amy's bowls are really good lunches. We have some enchilada and tamale ones. My husband loves the frozen Salisbury steaks and the mashed potatoes. It's his thing, so I let him have them. And then taquitos. Like, we're all allowed to have lazy nights, but that pretty much rounds it up. That concludes the refrigerator and my freezer tour. Just like the linen closet video, I will make sure to link everything in the description box and kind of let you know where everything is from. I really didn't use too many organization tools in the refrigerator, just kind of cleaned it up and got a couple of things from Amazon. So I really highly recommend getting clear bins or baskets or whatever you're gonna do. You wanna be able to see your food. If it's out of sight, out of mind. With that being said, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.